Hey guys, I have this 96 Lincoln Town car. I like this car. It's a really nice car. Too nice to be keep it. I gotta keep it clean and everything. We had this car for the last 10 years. But I have a problem first time is the water start coming in my trunk, which is the trunk leaks. And first we shoot some water on the top of the trunk and see where the water gotta come somewhere. Shoot some water. Like this. Sprinkle. Alright. Just like the rain. After that, stop it. Then I open my trunk and I took the carpet already off and I want to see where the water is coming, which is I found some water is coming from that corner right there. If you can see that, shoot the water on the corner. Okay, right here, and see that? Yeah, that's it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna repack this, and it's come from down there. It's going under my trunk and making my carpet wet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put some kind of, like a silicone, take the tail lights off and make sure clean up all of them, and then reattach all of the silicone like it's supposed to be, so that we would have any kind of leaking in it. I think it's a wear and tear, easy fix, but hope you guys like this video, help somebody. But if you like it, just give me a thumbs up. Thanks.